Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing your device and launching Windows Update. First, plug in power and ensure at least 20% free disk space. This prevents interruptions during feature installs. Once done, open Start, select Settings, go to Update and Security, then Windows Update. Click Check for updates to fetch available patches. You're initiating the download now. Keep the PC awake. If multiple updates appear, prioritize feature updates last after cumulative security patches to reduce reboot loops. You will monitor the download and manage installation choices. When updates appear, click Download and watch the progress. Estimated time can vary by connection and update size. If the installer prompts for extra drivers or feature packs, accept only trusted items. Drivers often fix hardware bugs. Once complete, Windows will prompt to restart now or schedule the restart. Choose Schedule if you need to save work. Make sure to close apps before restarting to avoid data loss and speed up the process. You'll finish by verifying updates and knowing one key recovery step. After the final reboot, return to Windows Update and open View Update History to confirm installations. This explains any failed packages. If an update fails, run the Windows Update troubleshooter, then reset update components or uninstall the problematic update from Control Panel. As a safeguard, make a recovery drive before major feature updates so you can restore the system if boot issues occur. This single precaution saves hours if recovery becomes necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.